Yo, what up, squad? All right, y'all, so we've all been here when it comes to our PS5. Your PS5 setup looks like a cable explosion. Your controllers are always dead whenever you guys pick them up, and your console sounds like a freaking engine that is taking off. Today, man, I'm running through 3 Newdery PS5 accessories, man, that's actually gonna clean up your entire setup. Let's go ahead and let's get to it. All right, so the first product here, man, that I actually wanna talk to you guys about, and that is the Newdery dual PS5 controller charging station. Now, the first thing here we gotta talk about is just the compatibility, right? This charger here works with your standard DualSense as well as your dual edge controller simultaneously, all right? Second, man, is the fast charging. Now, it has a built-in AI intelligent chip that protects your controller's battery while charging it fully in about 3 hours. And it's also designed to protect your battery long term. Now, third is the LED indicator system here. So you have a blue light that flickers when your controller is charging, and it stays solid whenever it is fully charged. And the fourth one here, man, is just the overall build and design, right? So it has 4 slots that can actually hold your 2 controllers securely in place. And then it also has 4 anti-slip mats that's right here on the base of it that's gonna firmly keep it, right there on your entertainment system. And the setup, y'all, honestly, bro, it was simple. It's literally just plug and play. You literally just plug it in, drop your controllers in, and just like that, bro, you're done, all right? Now, the second product here, man, that you guys have to own for your PS5, and that is the Newdery upgraded 9-blade PS5 cooling fan, all right? Now, the first thing here, man, is the upgraded 9-blade design. Now, Newdery upgraded the fan with 9 blades and a larger fan size compared to standard cooling fans. Now, more blades equals more airflow, right? Which means that your PS5 runs cooler as well as quieter at the same time. Now, the second thing here, man, is the auto speed adjustment. So the fan will automatically read your PS5's temperature and adjust its speed accordingly. So if you guys are gaming something like super light, then it runs quiet, all right? Deep into something like a demanding game with the console deciding to heat up, it will automatically ramp up to keep the temperatures in check. And the third thing here, man, is the extra USB 3.0 port. Now, the cooling fans here add an extra USB 3.0 port to your setup. So you're not just cooling your console, you're also expanding your connectivity at the same time. Now, the fourth and final thing here, man, is the LED lighting. Now, the fan here comes with built-in LED lighting that adds a clean visual glow to your PS5 setup. It runs quiet and it keeps your console healthier for longer periods of time. Now, there is one important note that I want to make sure you guys, know about is make sure you get the right version for your specific console. They're not interchangeable, so double check your console model before you guys put your order in. Now, the third and final product here, man, and this one is just that all-in-one solution, all right? And this is the Newdery PS5 console stand with dual controller charging station and adjustable RGB lighting, as well as you also get a headphone hook, all right? Now, the first thing is the universal compatibility. Now, this stand right here, man, is designed to work with PS5, PS5 Slim, and the PS5 Pro. So no matter which version of the console you guys are running, this stand has you guys covered without buying a different accessory for each individual model. Now, the second thing, man, is the built-in dual controller charging. Now, you guys get the same dual charging functionality that we talked about in the first product in this video here. Both your DualSense controllers can charge simultaneously right from the stand. Your console as well as your controllers are organized all in one single unit. Now, the third thing is the adjustable RGB lighting, right? Now, the stand features adjustable RGB lighting that you guys can actually customize to be able to match your whole setup vibe. So whether you guys want a chill single color or cycling through RGB, different color effect, it's all adjustable. Now, the fourth thing, man, is just the overall stability and protection, right? The stand holds your PS5 vertically with a secure as well as stable base. You're getting proper ventilation as well when it comes to this because of its built-in design and just how the console sits. It allows it to breathe properly while it's sitting within the stand. And then the other thing, man, that I kind of want to point out here is that you also get this hook that you guys can actually, clip on maybe something like your gaming headphones or whatever you guys like to use. You can actually also put this all in together into one unit and it just looks super clean. All right, so here's my kind of final thoughts about these 3 products here. So Newdery, if you guys don't know, man, they've been making gaming accessories since 2016. So it's safe to say, bro, they got some years in this game, all right? With over 5 million customers across 100+ countries, man. And these 3 products here, they show exactly why people just continue to keep coming back to them. The controller charging station, guys, I'm telling you, bro, it is a must-buy first accessory if you guys constantly deal with dead controllers because you're getting fast charging, smart LED indicators, and it works with the DualSense Edge as well as your normal DualSense controller all in one affordable docking station, all right? Then you also get the 9-blade cooling fan, which is honestly, man, the move if your PS5 is running loud or hot during those long gaming sessions. More airflow you guys are getting, auto speed, and a bonus USB 3.0 port, making this is just a no-brainer upgrade, all right? But just make sure you guys grab the right version for your PS5 model. And last, man, you're getting the PS5 console stand with controller charging and the RGB all-in-one solution, man. If you guys want everything, you're getting the console stand, dual controller charging, and adjustable RGB lighting, as well as that headphone hook as well, all in a single clean package that works with every PS5 model. If you guys are interested, I will have all 3 links to all of the products down in the description section below for you guys to pick up for yourself, or, you know, if you want to gift it to your homeboy, you can do that too. And also, man, I gotta send a huge shout out to my friends over at Newdery for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out.